your name, please?
Kasha.
Kasha.
Thank you so much. You made my day.
And what is your name?
Anastasia.
Ah, okay. I'm Andy. She's Gigi.
Gigi.
And I don't know if you want a toffee. It's toffee, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alejandra, how are you?
I'm very good, and you? Hello. Yeah, he's also Andy. Nice.
What's up? Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yeah. So today we've got some toffees here. As you can see, so many of them. We are going out to distribute them to anybody who wants.
That's his idea.
Anybody who doesn't want, I mean, I don't care. Yeah, so if you want it, I mean, we got you. We give you. Yeah, it's a happy Sunday. I mean, we just want to extend our kindness to the Polish society here in Warsaw. So this is what we are doing today. That's the plan. Let's see how many people would want our toffee. Yes. I don't know the names, but I know they are toffees. Let's see how things will go today. Are you ready? She's not ready. She thinks Polish people don't like toffees from black people. I'll prove her wrong today. Polish people, they are not racist. They don't mind, They don't mind to take gift from blacks. I mean, they don't care. Yeah, so far as you have something good for them, why not? They will take it. Ready? Let's go! You're going there to the field. You're going to show them some kindness, as I already said. You can see there are some people there playing on the field. Let's show them some kindness. It's Sunday. I mean, the weather is really good too. Hello, you have too much? It's a happy Sunday. We just like giving the topic. I don't know if you want to.
Thanks. It's very nice of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
It's very nice of you.
She thinks I should give topics to this person. I can give it to them. Why not? Hello. Happy Sunday, all of you. What country are you from?
Belarus.
Oh, okay. I'm from Ghana. She's from Rwanda. And it's a happy Sunday, so we are giving out toffees. I don't know if you would want.
Maybe.
Oh, maybe if you want, yeah.
Thank you.
If you want more, you can still take it. I mean, it's not good for you. So,
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Enjoy your weekend.
You too.
You too. Bye.
Do we need to come in?
You think we should give to her?
I don't know. Hello. We are going to guess.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Right?
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah?
We need to pay, right?
No.
We don't pay. Okay.
You have to give
This one.
ticket to
Uh-huh.
waitress.
Okay.
Okay. And what is your name?
Anastasia.
Ah, okay. I'm Andy. She's Gigi.
Gigi.
And I don't know if you want a toffee.
What is it?
It's toffee, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
See you. Bye.
Now I'm actually disproving her point. See, I gave it to how many people now? 5?
No Polish person.
Why
yet.
are you so? You are so debating about
No
Polish
Polish
and no
person.
Polish. Oh God.
It's from Belarus. Not Polish. Ukraine.
I don't
Belarus.
mind. I mean,
Outside.
And what is your name?
Aniela.
I'm Andy. She's Gigi. And I don't know if you would want. We were just giving out to so many people, and you feel like. Yes, if you want, friend. If you don't want to.
She's
You
going
want
to take.
to?
Thank you.
They asked.
Today is a gift day for us. So, yeah. Why are you smiling? Why are you laughing? She thinks the Polish people are, they don't take gift from strangers or something like that. But I proved them wrong. Yeah.
Those were not Polish, they were Ukrainian.
I don't mind. So far as we are strangers, we don't know them, it counts. Yeah. So it's good. It's good to, give gifts. I mean, not only people even to strangers, everybody.
Fine, thanks.
Can I ask one
Yes,
thing?
yes.
Yeah. Because today is Sunday and for us we are very happy and we felt like just giving toffees out to anybody. So in case you want, you can just take it.
Tak normalnie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything you want, you
Okay, I take twice.
Okay.
I want it for you, okay.
you can take more if you want. I mean,
No, well, it's enough, okay.
Okay, thank you.
have a nice day.
You too.
Alejandra, how are you?
I'm very well, and you?
Hello.
Hello.
You this is Alejandra.
Okay.
That's my wife actually.
Nice to meet you.
And we were working together at ITSW.
Yeah.
But
You are
now
still
I think you are no
working?
more there, right? You left.
No,
Yeah,
yeah.
a long time ago.
Ah.
Yeah. How have you been? Are you working?
Have you heard of Thames British School?
Thames British School. Oh, it's a school.
Yes.
I know of a basic school, but I don't know about the Thames.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's another one and has different branches.
So today, it's a nice Sunday for us. We are just for us, it's like a very nice weather and it's okay for us to feel like just giving. Thank you. That's my wife.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good.
So what's your name, please?
Kasha.
Kasha,
okay.
nice.
I'm Andy. She's Gigi.
Yeah.
From Ghana, and she's from
Rwanda. Yeah.
Okay, actually, I was listening to the radio where now they were playing some music from
Okay.
Africa, and I
Oh.
mentioned
Nice.
them as well.
Yeah.
Somalia.
Yeah.
That's so
It's
nice.
very nice,
That's so
relaxed.
nice.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Yeah.
Yeah, so enjoy your day.
Thank you. You too. Have a nice day. Bye. Woo! Woo! Hello. Hello. Hello.
It's like you have a friend.
Ah,
Actually, oh,
so excited. Oh. Hello. Oh. Yeah.
and for us, it's a nice day for our friend. How are you?
Thank you, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. That's my wife over there. And today is a nice day. We feel like giving peace that we pass around. I don't know. If you want, you can take, right?
Thank you.
I forgot to ask your name.
Rami.
Rami.
Yes.
I'm Andy. From what country?
Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan. Okay.
Very
I'm from
good.
Ghana.
Oh, really
And
good.
she's from Rwanda.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. You made my day.
Take care.
Now he's happy that they just told him that he's making people's day.
It's there. That's the whole point. I mean, that's the
There's
whole
another
point.
one. Go and make his day.
See, now you're asking to go. Hello, Yakumas. Yes, name Andy. Dobrze. Toffees? You give toffees. If you want to take...
Proszę.
Jakub, okay. Do widzenia. How many more left to go? How many more left to go?
He's
Toffee
wrong.
day. Jak to masz? Andrzejski? Ile to? Okay, so that's my wife over there. My wife, she's beautiful.
Hello.
I'm from Ghana and she's from Rwanda. So today it's a happy Sunday and we just feel like, giving topics to people who are passing by. So I don't know, maybe if you want. Yeah, sometimes, it's a nice weather and really like it. Decided to do this.
You're making our day. I'm a sweet tooth, so I'm
Yeah, a little water.
guys.
Need some chocolate. Oh, okay. I like this one. I wish he was, a bit old.
Yeah, not that. We will, enjoy this treats for himself.
Yeah. And your name, please? Your name? Martin. Okay. Thank you very much.
Gigi and Andy, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, let's go.
I made your day.
You happy?
Now at the end, it was a success. You made so many people's day. And some people even think that Africa, it's, it's true. Not that they think. Africa, it's a very kind nation. They give to the poor. They give to anybody, even strangers that they don't know, That's a very nice thing about Africans. So guys, Polish people are so nice. We only wanted to prove something, and today we are very positive about it. Yes, they are super nice. They are super cool, So if you want to come to Poland, you should have at the back of your mind that the Polish people are cool. Yeah, you can make friends here if you want. Yeah, so this is how we ended. We ended. See you guys. Bye.
Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and do what?
Share. Apparently he was right, so there are some nice people after all. Yeah. Righty, ciao.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Just enough to say when I'm hungry, tired, and
Yeah, that's true.
my food.
Yeah, we are also trying. I don't know if we can manage to learn.
It's so hard, it's so difficult to
The
learn
language
Polish.
is super difficult.
Yeah, I know. Do you have some profile or some Instagram? Because I see that you create.
Yeah, we have a YouTube channel actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Nice.
that's so nice. It's Gigi and
Andy.
Gigi
Yeah,
and
and Andy.
Andy.
It's a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's our YouTube
Even
channel.
on Instagram is the same. Gigi and Andy, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we went to Jeff's and we decided to go around, check. It's our first time here actually.
Oh, really?
This
Here?
park, yeah.
And
Gigi
after
and
4
Andy?
years?
Yeah, Gigi and Andy.
Oh yeah, that's
This
it.
one?
Ooh, the
That's
first
that
one.
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
it.
that's us. That's
nice.
it.
Thank you.
No
We
worries.
actually we have some songs and everything, so you can you can subscribe or yeah.
Of course. We are. Actually, we are.
Subscribe
She just
already.
subscribe. Nice.
Oh
Thank you so
my
much.
God, that was so fast.
She just she wants to subscribe.
Oh my God, you guys are
Thank
super
you.
kind. You are super nice.
See you
Hope
later.
to see you. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Oh my God, I
Are you
didn't know
happy
it
now?
would end up like this. Having Andy and what's the name? Actually, I've forgotten the lady's name. But we got 2 more drivers from here. That's so nice. That's so fun. We can't wait.
We can't wait. Yeah.
So at this point, I would say, I had to prove Gigi wrong. She thought the Polish people, they don't accept gifts from strangers, but this is wrong. He saw it. He saw it. Yeah. Right in your eyes, they want to even take everything. So guys, Polish people are so nice. We only wanted to prove something, and today we are very positive about it. Yes, they are super nice. They are super cool, So if you want to come to Poland, you should have at the back of your mind that the Polish people are cool. Yeah, you can make friends here if you want. Yeah, so this is how we ended. See you guys. Bye.
Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and do what?
Share. Apparently he was right, so there are some nice people after all.